Hello and thank you for downloading the Simple Video Shopify section by qwiqode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use it. With this section, you can add a responsive video to your store and adjust the styling to match your store's brand. Let's see your options. On the first one, we have a video URL. You can add a YouTube or a Vimeo link. I'll paste one that I have on my clipboard. Cool. Below that video link, we also have an option for using a local MP4 video. If you add a video in here, it will overwrite the video link. For example, if I add one from my library, it will show up that MP4 video. Then we have the video settings. The first one is to autoplay the video. When this is enabled, the video will start playing automatically on the browser. But please keep in mind the video will be muted by the browser if it has audio. The next one is loop video. When this is enabled, the video will repeat after it ends. For example, at the end of the video, it goes back to the beginning. And then we have an option to show or hide the controls on the video. By default, it's turned on, but you can also disable it so it creates this seamless effect. Then we have the video styling options, and the first one is the video dimensions. By default, it's landscape, but you can also select it to be portrait, so it looks like this, or square, or original if you have a different dimensions video. But on this video, I'm gonna keep it on landscape. Then we have the border radius, which it controls the curves on the corners of the video. Right now, as default, it's 0, but you can increment this, or you'll see the curves on the corners. And then we have the video width. By default, it's 100%, but you can make it smaller. And if you do, you can also select the alignment of the video to be left, center, or right. But on this example, I'm going to leave it 100% and the center. And then we have the same options for mobile, the video width, and the video alignment. Then down here, we have the section styling. And the first option is section width. By default, it's full width, but you can also select it to be regular. Maybe right now you won't see a difference, but if we add a background color in here, for example, like this, and we select full width, we'll see that the section expands all the way, but the content inside of it will only expand 1280. You can adjust this to make it smaller or bigger, but if you want the content to expand all the way to the edges, you can enable this real full width. So this will be ignored and will look like this, okay? Then we have the section border radius, which it controls the corners, similar to the video. And then we have the top and bottom margin. The margins are the distance outside the section. So right now it's 20 pixels from the top, but if you want to increment this and add more distance, you can use this field. And the same with the bottom margin. And then we have the section top, bottom, and horizontal padding. And the padding is the distance inside the section. For example, right now it's 20 pixels on top. So this video is 20 pixels from the beginning of the section. But if you want to add more space, you can adjust this. I will create more space at the top and the bottom, okay? And also horizontal. So right now it's 20 pixels like this. So you will see it here. But if you want to remove it so the video touches the corners, you can put 0 and we'll expand all the way as the section expands. Okay? And then down here we have the same settings for mobile. Top and bottom margin, and top, bottom, and horizontal padding. I really like how it looks, so I'm going to save it. And that's it. Thank you again. If you have any question or if you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us via our support page on our website. Thank you and take care.